I look at these developments first from Kabir, what happened in the G20 summit in Delhi. There we were, Israel was in the process of being re-inducted as a major player in the Middle East. Is the normalization process between Israel and the major Sunni powers was almost complete. And India was looking at an India-Middle East corridor with Israel in it. And Israel,
Yep.
as you know, is a very close strategic partner of India. Uh, whether we rely on Trump or not, that's a different issue. We've never had any problems with Israeli support for us on any problem. So if you look at that scenario, Kabir,
Yep.
of the G20 summit and look at it now, it's very clear that Israel has been unfortunately reduced to partial pariah status, which it had before Camp David. That is very unfortunate from Israel's perspective and from the perspective of Israel's supporters, including India. Okay, that's the first thing. There have been no pro-Palestinian uh, processions in India, although we are the second largest world's Muslim population. These are taking place in the West, in Europe, not in India. That's very interesting too. But you have to also look at the history that this Hamas was created by Israel to rein in the Palestinian Authority. It was a kind of play that, for instance, Mrs. Gandhi did, unfortunately, in the events leading up to the Golden Temple. And you create a monster and the monster slips out of control, this is what happens. When the response is disproportionate, then you get hauled up in the world public opinion that your response is disproportionate. You've killed women and children. So the initial horror of what Hamas did to Israel, which was completely unacceptable, fades with memory. That's the reality. Now let's come to President Trump's 20-point
Yep.
plan.
Yep.
I actually think it has a fairly decent chance of succeeding because it is important to reconstruct Gaza, and President Trump has put pressure on Netanyahu to see reasons to stop the hostilities, to allow aid to go in. Children are starving to death. In fact, it is unfortunate that the hostages are also starving to death
Yep.
because there's no food for anyone over there,
It's a grim
right?
situation, ma'am. It's a grim
It's a
situation.
very grim situation, and therefore I think that the reconstruction under the U.S. president himself,
Right.
Tony, I have some reservations. I won't express them on national television, but clearly, if there are responsible Palestinians involved and responsible people from the Middle East,
Yep.
and Israel can have some of its own friends involved, like
Let's
India, for instance,
let's let
there is a good chance of this peace plan succeeding.
okay.